Shako Mako everyone. Today we're gonna do unboxing to Hollyland Lark M1 digital wireless microphone. So the mic I've been using right now is the Sony compact stereo lavalier microphone ECM LV1. It's a great mic. It's this little thing, but it's still capturing the noise from my computer. And I have to turn off the fan because it becomes really noisy. So this is one of the sacrifices I have to deal with, is no fan, just the AC, and the AC cannot deal or keep up with excess heat. So that's one of the sacrifices I have to make when shooting a video. So a like and subscribe would be very appreciated. And if this one can cancel the noise from these two, that would be very cool. Right now, let's open it up and see what comes inside. Comes with very cool case, padded, so a lot of protection. Carry all the accessories. We have the charging case with 2 transmitter, 1 receiver. We have 2 dead cat or noise breaker, and we have a Type C, Type A cable to charge. And we have 2 connection cable. I'm going to tell you why 2. It's not a backup. It's actually, each of them is for different use. And the instruction, it says, we are here for you. Thank you. So first, let me tell you what's the difference between these 2 cables. As you can see on this one of them have 3 black lines, one of them have 2. The 3 black lines, it's what you connected when you want to connect it to the phone. So this end, the gray one, goes to the phone. If you connect it the other way around, it's not going to work for you. That's why this cable is for phone and this one is for camera. So both ends have 2 black lines. This is the camera cable, the other one is the phone cable. If you switch them around, it's not going to work. Let's see the windbreaker or the dead cat. Let's see. Okay, it's fluffy. Have a connector. That's how you connect it. Attach it to it. Fuzzy little thing. Not bad. We'll have to test them to see if they're actually good. And now very nice. And once you can take it out, the light turns on. That means it's on. Basically, you just take it out and it's on. Let's take the stickers off. First one and second one. So this is your mic. You have the on button, power button. This one, the noise cancellation. You have a charging Type C on the bottom in case you want to charge it without the case, and of course the 2 magnetic to charge it in the case. Let's do the receiver. Okay, so it's a little bit bigger. Let's take the stickers out first. Okay, nothing here. You have charging Type C on the side for the same reason. If you want to charge it, you have the plus, which is for increasing the volume and for connecting to the transmitter. You have the minus for lowering the volume and also for muting. On the other hand, you have the power button and you have the cable out. Well, cable out. Have this clip That's what goes on top of your camera. Looks sturdy enough. So I guess the next thing we need to do is try them out. So the mic that's connected right now, it's this one, the Hollyland Lark M1. I hope it is connected because I just connected the receiver to the camera and plugged this one to my vest. So I don't know how this sound right now. All I'm hoping it's better than my Sony mic. And let me try the noise cancellation. So right now, I still don't know how it sounds. Usually sound cancellation, it starts when someone talks. So as long as I'm talking, it's canceling the noise. But once I stop talking, it will start capturing the noise from my computer. So, okay, well. So this is with noise cancellation. This is without noise cancellation. So you guys gonna be the judge if it's good or not. Of course, if this was not on, I'll have to reshoot this. But if everything went as planned, then you've heard the difference. You know if it's worth it or not. And we'll see if I'm gonna keep it or try something different. Okay, so I listened to the sound and the noise cancellation, and it's pretty decent. So I'm gonna push it to the limit. So I'm standing right now under the fan with my computer still on with the noise cancellation on. So I wanna see how good it is. Because if I'm gonna be able to shoot my videos with the fan on, that's gonna help me a lot. Now let's try it without the noise cancellation for a few seconds. So, okay, now no noise cancellation, under the fan, computer is on, noise cancellation again, and there's a car. I hope it sounds good. Okay, back again, but this time I put on the windbreaker or the dead cat. Still under the fan, noise cancellation is on. Want to see how this sounds. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the noise cancellation. Still under the fan, computer still on. Dead cat is on, is attached to the mic. The one thing I noticed, once you attach it, the clip becomes a little bit hard to clip to stuff, but it's not that big deal. Clip it first, then attach the windbreaker or the dead cat. Back to noise cancellation. So what I'm hoping is it take that robotic sounds and fix it a little bit. Doesn't have to do a lot of processing, a lot of editing to the sound. You'll be the judge. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? How does it sound with or without the noise cancellation, with or without the dead cat or the windbreaker? I hope you guys enjoyed with the video. Like I said, like, subscribe would be really appreciated. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.